Today is Monday, April 6th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And, well, in the Midwest, April can either be very warm and summer-like, or it can feel still like it's the middle of winter as the seasons sort of battle things out. And this week, at least to start, it's favoring the colder side of things, but, things will change by the end of the week. So the reason for the change, well, a little dip in the jet stream following in a pretty vigorous area of low pressure crossing the Great Lakes today, rain and even some snow showers along the path of this low pressure system. And then in the southeast, we got some showery weather, especially down the Florida Peninsula, and that front's going to stall in South Florida and probably keep it pretty showery through most of this week. So scattered rain and snow showers throughout the Great Lakes and the Midwest, temperatures in the 40s, pretty gusty winds coming in out of the west northwest. Then you go south of the front, the sun's still shining, it's not so bad, still feels a bit like spring. 50s in Pittsburgh, 60 or so in Cincinnati, mid 60s in Louisville, and right around 70 for both Nashville and Memphis. If this doesn't say it's the battle of the seasons, I don't know what does. Look at the temperature trend over the next 7 days here in Detroit. You go right up into the 50s and 60s the middle of the week, and then by the weekend you fall back down a bit. Maybe not quite as low as we're starting the week, but there's quite the up and down going on here. And same deal in Chicago. Temperatures are falling today. It'll be the coldest tomorrow. We bounce back out of that and maybe take a step or two back here by Friday and Saturday. In the southeast, temperatures today are mostly in the 60s, maybe up near 70, Savannah and Atlanta. Oh, definitely not summery like it was even just a few days ago. So things have cooled off. It's because of that cold front that now is pushing down through Florida, which is the reason for the showers. And then that front's going to stall in South Florida and keep things showery here, I think, through most of this week. So with that front coming through, it's cool today. It's probably going to stay cool through most of this week in the southeast, including in Charlotte. And it looks like by the weekend we start to bounce back out of that. In Fort Lauderdale, scattered clouds around this morning. It looks like this afternoon there could be a couple of showers around as that front really begins to approach from the north. And then as the front's moving through this evening and overnight, there will be some passing showers. And with the showers and the cold front nearby, or at least by Wednesday, it'll probably be a stalled front. I would say that that's going to be keeping temperatures in the 70s through most of this week. When the front eventually clears by the weekend, maybe we're back into the low 80s. All right, that is your Monday morning weather update. Have a great start to the week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.